Hi, I'm Greg with BTOD.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to assemble your wire management box to your VertDesk. So before we go ahead and actually install our wire management box, one thing I want you to consider is the placement of your control box. You'll see we do have pre-drilled holes for our control box. Now, depending on where you put the wire management box, this control box actually could be in the way. So the first placement option is with the door towards you. Now, you can see the control box, not an issue, but when we flip this around and we put that door towards the back of the desk, you can see we won't be able to mount the wire management box. So my suggestion would be just to take the control box and move that towards the motor and out of the way. That way, no matter which way you place the wire management box, it won't be an issue. So before we go ahead and attach our wire management box, we actually want to install our rubber grommets. And you can see we have 8 rubber grommets here for our 48-inch box. And these should just snap into place pretty easily. So now that we have all of our rubber grommets installed, we're ready to go ahead and attach the wire management box to the underside of your desk. So my suggestion here, and also in the instructions you'll see, basically we want to center mount from the right and the left-hand side, and then about 1/4 of an inch from the back edge to the flange here where we're going to mount the box to your desk is recommended. Now again, you don't necessarily have to follow that to a T. You can see we have one grommet hole here. We're going to center it up to that. If you have multiple holes, you want to just make sure you include all of the grommets so that the wires can pass right into the box. Now with all of our accessories, we always recommend using a square bit, number 2 square bit tip to go with our self-tapping wood screws. And also, you'll notice there are no pre-drilled holes for the wire management box, and that is because we want to make sure that you have the flexibility really to mount it wherever you feel it will suit your needs best. So that completes the assembly of the wire management box for the VertDesk. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit BTOD.com.